Om Sri Ganeshaya Namaha. Hare Krishna. This is the chapter 7 of Markshish Mahatmya Katha. Superiority of Jati flower. Brahmaji said, O Lord of Devas, recount the efficacy of the different varieties of flowers and the respective benefits obtained by men through them. Sri Bhagwan said, Listen, O my son, I shall recount the efficacy of flowers as well as the names of flowers which undoubtedly give me great delight. They are Mallika, Malti, Yuthika, and Ati Muktaka, all varieties of jasmine. Patal, trumpet flower. Karavira, oleander. Jayanti, Vijaya, Kubjaka stabaka. Karnikara, Kurantaka, yellow Amarnath. Kampaka, Kataka, Kund, jasmine. Bana, Karkura, turmeric mallika. Ashoka, Tilaka, and Aparayuthika, a variety of jasmine. These flowers are auspicious in my worship, O son. The following cause immediate pleasure: Ketki flowers and leaves, Bhringraj and Tulsi leaves and flowers, lotuses growing in water, red and blue lilies, and white lily. All these are my great favorites in the month of Margshish. Only those flowers which have good color, taste, and fragrance are excellent for me, O my son. Those without fragrance are also considered by me good. Other fragrant flowers except Ketki are also good. Bahana, Kampaka, Ashoka, Karvira, Yutika, Paribhadra, Patal, Bakula, Giriselani, Bilva leaves, Shami leaves, Bhringraj leaves, Tamal, and Amalki leaves. All these are excellent for my worship, O son. I should be worshipped with forest flowers or leaves from mountains. They should not be stale, that is, much time should not have elapsed after plucking. They must not have holes in them. No insect should stick to them. Before worship, they must be sprinkled with water. I can be worshipped with flowers from parks and gardens too. If I am worshipped with flowers of excellent quality, the merit shall be greater. By offering flowers in the month of Margshish, a man obtains that merit which people get by giving 10 gold pieces to a deserving person endowed with good conduct, penance, and mastery over the Vedas. If a single drona flower is offered to me, one gets more than the merit obtained by giving 10 gold pieces. O son, know from me the difference between flower and flower. Khadira is better than thousands of drona flowers. Shami flower is better than 1,000 Khadira flowers. Bilva flower is better than thousands of Shami flowers. Baka flower is better than thousands of Bilva flowers. Nandya Vrat is better than thousands of Baka flowers. Karvira, oleander, is better than thousands Nandya Vrat flowers. Sweta flower is better than 1,000 Karvira flowers. Palas flower is better than 1,000 Swet flowers. Kusa flower is better than 1,000 Palash flowers. One mala, wild jasmine, is better than 1,000 Kusha flowers. Kampaka is better than 1,000 one mala flowers. Ashok flower is better than 100 Kampaka flowers. Sevanti flower is better than 1,000 Ashok flowers. Kujuka flower is better than 1,000 Sevanti flowers. Malti flower, jasmine, is better than 1,000 Kuja flowers. Sandhya flower is better than 1,000 Malti flowers. Three Sandhya flower is better than 1,000 Sandhya flowers. Three Sandhya Swet flower is better than 1,000 Three Sandhya red flowers. Kund flower is better than 1,000 Three Sandhya Swet flowers. Jati flower is better than 1,000 Kund flowers. Jati flower is better than all other flowers. Listen to the merit of the man who duly offers to me a very splendid garland having 1,000 Jati flowers. He lives in my city thousands of crores of kalpas and hundreds of crores of kalpas. He will have the power and valor equal to that of mine. If the flowers are excellent for my worship, their leaves too are good. If they are not available, the fruits can be used. By worshipping me with these flowers, leaves, and fruits, one obtains the benefit of offering 10 gold pieces. If people worship me in the Margshish month with these flower varieties, I grant them devotion on being pleased. There is no doubt about it. Propitiated by these flowers, O Lord of Devas, I grant them wealth, sons, wives, and whatever they may desire. Markshish Mahatam Katha, Chapter 7, Superiority of Jati Flower is completed. All those who are listening, please say with me, Jai Shri Hari Vishnu Bhagwan, Jai Mahalakshmi Mata. Friends, please like and share this video. Also, do subscribe the channel if you have not already done so, as you will get updates related to Sanatan Dharma, Hinduism, upcoming festival dates, etc. Thanks. Hare Krishna.